Okay, so this quick lesson, okay, we only got 30 seconds, okay, so we need to go. So karate, first lesson we do, okay? I'm sitting down, so it's fine if you have to sit in a chair. That's cool, I'm sitting down so you can show you. Pull your hands back here, so your elbows, pull them back and keep them in, okay? Not out like a birdie, okay, like a butterfly. In, tuck them in, pull your hands back. Close your fists nicely, okay? Not too high, down here, relax. Now punch, straight. Imagine your hand is in a tunnel. Straight, and then twist your fist, just your fist at the end. Then we're gonna do the other hand, pull, straight, twist. Pull, straight, twist. Your challenge is to do your arm straight. Don't bring it round. Keep it straight, twist. Keep it straight, twist. Keep it straight, twist. Keep it straight, twist. Okay? Now go. Do your challenge.